Hi, I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the multi-award-winning Screed. So how quickly can you lay your floor coverings after the screed has been laid? Well, it really all depends on how dry the screed is. We can supply products that range from a couple of hours before the screed is dry through to a matter of months. And depending on the depth, that can literally be up to 6 months with certain products if they're laid really thickly. So what you need to do is you need to look at your program and decide when you need to lay those coverings and then when you need to lay the screed. Fast drying products cost a little bit more, but can often save you time on program. So you're not waiting, will give you other advantages such as increased strength possibly, and also early trafficking of the screed. So that may be an advantage to you. The time of year will affect the drying times, because if temperatures are lower and humidity is higher, then that's going to affect the drying times. When we provide quotations, we always put the drying times on the quotation, so that gives you an idea. If we don't quote you for a fast drying screed, and that's something that will save you time and effectively money from within the program, then please let us know and we can include that. Thank you.